All right, so Terry's giving me a ride in the Triassic 5, and you're gonna come with me. Here we are. I gotta find my seatbelt. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, just like in mine. So hang on, I'm gonna put you up here.
Looks like they're getting the Triassic 5 out, so Mike Zarnock's going for a ride. Look at this. Let's see if Terry could start the car up without flooding it.
Hey!
You do realize that camera will get knocked off the dashboard.
Yeah, I just gotta buckle up.
Yeah, still works.
Oh,
You're hearing it live. Oh, Mike doesn't know how to use the shoulder belts here.
there we go.
Ah, crack open that exhaust. It's too quiet. Now
Yeah.
we're talking. Now we're talking.
There we go.
Scare 'em good.
Yeah. All right, we're good. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, there we go. All right, here we go. There's Brendon. Okay. Boy, you can feel that standard, huh?
Well, maybe he's being nice because he's still in a residential neighborhood, but hopefully he gets on it.
Nice suspension, like mine. Nice and solid.
Not a great road.
That's okay. Love it. Got your Tremec, what, 6-speed down there?
6.
Double overdrive? Everything works. Speedometer, look at that, man. Wow. Directionals. Oh, man.
Get away with us warning when he sees us.
I wish this was smell-o-vision. I can smell the rubber, man. It goes. It goes.